Welcome to the Convalescence Study. The aim of this project is to gain a greater understanding of long COVID. You will be invited to attend a research clinic at the Bloomsbury Centre for Clinical Phenotyping, which is located on Cheney's Mews at University College London. This video will outline what you can expect from your clinic visit and the measurements that will be recorded while you are here. You have the right to withdraw from the study at any point, including once you have completed the clinic visit. We advise that you wear comfy and non-restrictive clothing and footwear throughout your visit. When you arrive, please press the button for the third floor. Please make your way up to the first floor. You can do so by taking the lift or following the yellow footprints up the stairs straight ahead of you. Once you reach the first floor, you will see our first floor waiting room on your left-hand side. Please take a seat here, where you will be greeted by one of our research team shortly. A member of our friendly team will then take you to one of our clinic rooms to discuss the research visit with you in more detail and answer any questions that you may have. You will be asked to fill in and sign a consent form to confirm that you are happy to take part in our study. The first measurements we will take will include your height, weight, blood pressure, and a blood sample, much like when you have these tests performed at your doctor's surgery. We will then perform an electrocardiogram, or ECG for short. This is a non-invasive procedure that involves sticky electrodes being placed on your limbs and across your chest to record a trace of your heart rate and rhythm. We will ask you to relax for 5 minutes while we take this recording. Next, we will take measurements of your lung function by asking you to breathe deeply into a special machine called a spirometer. The cardiopulmonary exercise test, or CPET, is a 10 to 15 minute exercise test in which we will ask you to perform some exercise on a bike, which has gradual increase in resistance going from light to high intensity. While you are exercising, we will be monitoring you in lots of different ways. This will include checking your blood pressure by placing a cuff on your arm, monitoring your heart using ECG sticky electrodes on your chest, and taking some ultrasound images using a probe and jelly on the left-hand side of your chest. We will place a mask on your face to monitor your breathing and look at the function of the small blood vessels in your muscles by placing a small device that shines light onto your calf. You may become breathless during the exercise, and you can stop the test at any point if you feel you are unable to exercise further. To look at your physical capability, we will ask you to perform a series of tests. These will include a standing balance test, a 3-meter walking speed test, and 5 sitting to standing chair rises. We will also measure your hand grip strength using a special dynamometer. We will take some pictures of the small blood vessels in your eye using a special camera called optical coherence tomography, or OCT for short. This is similar to the methods used at the opticians. It is very safe and does not require eye drops. We will then take you down to the ground floor of the building for an MRI scan that will last approximately 1 hour. MRI uses a powerful magnet and radio waves to form pictures of your body. You will be asked to lie down on a flat scanning bed that slides into a tunnel while the pictures are taken. You will be given headphones to wear during the scan. These will reduce the noises you hear from the scanner and also allow the person operating the scanner to talk to you throughout the test. During the scan, you will be given an injection of a contrast agent that will help visualise your heart. At the end of your visit, we will provide you with a Garmin watch and help install a special maths science app onto your mobile phone. The watch and app will allow us to monitor your daily activity, heart rate, sleep, and responses to some simple questionnaires while you are at home. Additional videos relating to the wearables part of our study can be found on our participant information page. If you have any further questions relating to the convalescence study, please refer to our website. Thank you very much for your participation.